Hey there! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create Fiverr Gig image design using Canva. Let's get started. So once you reach your web browser, you're going to search up Fiverr Help and look for something which says Gig Images General Gig Image Guidelines because these are very important. So number 1, Image Size Guide. The recommended image size is 1280 times 769 pixels, 72 dots per inch. So minimum 712 times 430 pixels, maximum 4000 times 2416 pixels. So now what we need to do is go to Canva. So once you reach Canva, you're going to look for a button which says custom size. So now for the width, you're going to type in 1280 and then 769. After you're done doing that, 1280 times 769. Now you're going to click on Create New Design. So this is the general size that we will be using for this video. But if we go back to the gig guidelines, you'll see here by number 3, image quality, use sharp, clear, high resolution, and eye-catching images. So try to avoid blurry, pixelated, stretched, or squashed images, because if they are bad quality, they're going to deter potential customers. So now we are going to go back to Canva. So now I'm going to use my images as examples. So as you can see here for my example, the image is high quality, it's eye-catching, it's colorful, so it will bring in more customers or more clients. So now if we go back, number 4, keeping it simple is best, and for that reason, you can upload more than one image, so up to 3. So only upload 3, or if you want to upload less, you can upload 1, 2, but I think it's best if you upload 3. So number 5, image usage and commercial rights. Only use images that you have permission to use. So if we go back to Canva, what you want to do is make sure that you do not use images that you are not allowed to use. So for example, if someone took pictures of a specific item or took pictures of a specific scenery and you use their images without their permission, that's going to give you a copyright strike and it's going to land you into a lot of trouble. So make sure that your images are original and they come from you only, nobody else. So number 6, be accurate and don't use clickbait. Clickbait or misleading content can be frustrating for potential buyers. So if we go back to our Canva design, so in your gig image, make sure that you include what you're selling and make sure that it is truthful. So quality male voiceovers. If I say quality, that means I bring high quality voiceovers and audio. But if you add in quality, but you don't actually add in quality and it's low quality and it's noisy, lots of background noise, that's going to deter potential customers. They're going to get frustrated and they're probably never going to contact you again. So now we go to number 7, relevancy. Gig images must directly relate to the service provided. If we go back to the Canva design, as I said before, your gig image should include what you are trying to sell to potential customers. So in my case, it's voiceovers. So I included the word voiceovers. So number 8, use as little text as possible. That is self-explanatory. Don't add in too many words in your gig image because people will not read that and they're probably going to run away and never contact you ever. So number 9, make your gig stand out. If you have more than one gig, choose unique images and text for each image. If we go back to the Canva design, and this image is a perfect example of that. The orange, the yellow, the brown, the red are all amazing colors. They complement each other because they are warm colors. So if someone is viewing my gig, this image that pops up is going to give the viewer a sense of warmth. So now if you really want to make your gig image incredible, ensure that you add in a little picture of yourself in the corner or in the middle here because it's going to make your gig image stand out and is going to show clients that you are a real person and that you're not using AI. So number 10, name your image file. Make your gig easier to find by using a file name that's clear and relevant. And number 11, be authentic and ethical. If you'd like to use a photo of yourself, feel free to do so. We encourage authenticity. So if we go back to the Canva design, adding a picture of yourself makes you look more authentic. So that's the key here. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it helps the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.